Hello, my name is Jolie.
Hi, my name is Layla.
Hi, my name is Adriana, and we're from the 7th grade.
And we'll be showing you how to make a love bug art craft. So the first thing you'll do is arrange the construction paper heart shapes in pink and red patterns on the table. Next, using the glue stick, you'll attach them together in a horizontal line with the pink heart on the furthest left side sticking up a tad higher to become a bug's head. Next, using the glue stick, attach two white rectangles to its head from the back side to serve as antennae.
Attach one foam heart on the top of each antenna by peeling off the sticky side. Using the glue stick, attach the googly eyes to the face. Using glitter glue, create a mouth shape to complete the face and decorate the hearts on the body, sprinkling glitter glue however the artist feels it looks good to them. With adult assistance, students can write their name, or the word love, or alternate XOXO, if they would like to. This is what it will look like in the end. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed our presentation.
Enjoy making your craft.